Hello everybody, Indy meets Disney here. I am Cedric.
And I'm Katie.
And we are here with a special video. We are going to try out something new today.
Yeah, so we've never tried out Ride Swap before, but we've got a little one on our hands. So we are going to use that to our advantage today.
So we're not really sure how this works, but we're going to try it out and let you know how it does.
Yep, come along with us.
So we are all set up for the rider swap. Katie is the one that kind of talked to the cast member, so I'll let her walk you through it.
So I think the way it's going to work is that we have a friend here named Jonas that's with us. Jonas and Cedric are going to go ahead and go ride the ride on Tower of Terror. And then my baby girl and I are going to wait in the nice and cool. And then when they're finished, they're going to come and find me. And then Jonas and I are going to ride the ride together. So we won't have to wait in a line. We can go just through like the lightning lane entrance. And they scan Jonas's fast pass because his magic band because he's going to be the one to ride twice. So we'll see how it works and see if that's the way it ends up being.
Yeah, nice and convenient. So me and Jonas will wait. Then we'll come back through and Katie and Jonas will skip the line and get to ride it themselves. Yeah. So sounds awesome. So we'll go do this.
Okay, they are heading off to ride the ride and they're gonna wait in the line for Tower of Terror. Have fun, guys. And the two of us are just chilling in the cool, waiting for Daddy and Jonas to be done. So it's really nice that we don't have to stand in line because we all know that newborns can definitely be fussy and that is a possibility with this little one. So we are just staying in the cool and staying out of the heat.
All right, me and Jonas have ridden the ride. It took us about 10 minutes to get through the fast lane. It's Jonas's first time riding Tower of Terror. What'd you think, Jonas?
It was terrifying. I mean, I almost peed my pants.
Yeah, you should have seen the look on his face. He was pretty frightened. But now it's time for Katie and Jonas to go through. We'll see how fast they get through. So let's send them on their way. All right, there goes Jonas and Katie on their way to ride Tower of Terror.
We just did rider swap and we finished up just now and it was a really quick wait. It was exciting, and it was really easy peasy to be able to do it. We didn't have to wait in line hardly at all. We just got to go through the lightning lane. So yeah, good experience. We'll definitely do it again some other places too.
I recommend this ride. It was fun. It was terrifying the first time because I was not expecting it to be that big of a drop, but it was really fun.
Once you know what's going on, then you know what to do with the Tower of Terror.
All right, so that's going to wrap up our video for the ride swap. What'd you think?
Yeah, it was an easy process. At first, when they were explaining it to us, it sounded really complicated, but we figured it out. Cedric and Jonas only had to take a few minutes in line, and then Jonas and I only had to take a few minutes in line, so it was really nice just to be able to do that.
Yeah, super easy, super convenient, not difficult at all. Very nice little service that Disney provides for families, so you can bring your little ones, still enjoy the park, and enjoy your favorite rides as well at the same time.
Right, and the little ones can stay cool, they can stay in the shade, they can stay in their stroller, and they don't have to wait in a really long line, so it's worth it. Yep, so thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Take a moment, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube family, and until next time, we will
see you real soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.